Thank you for clicking the link. My name is Chris.McAndrews here at Guaranty RV in Junction City. Today we're going to be taking a look at our Northwood Fox Mountain 255 RKS. Come on inside and we'll take a look. And with this model, the RKS, the RK meaning rear kitchen, so you have the nice big corner set up here with a nice big sink, tons and tons of storage. And this one has a 3-burner cooktop with a good sized oven, exhaust, and a microwave. And then a nice big fridge also. And this is gas and electric. And then over here you have your recliners. Both of these recliners will flip out towards the entertainment area. And then your dinette here, which will convert into a bed. And then a nice angle here with your recliners for your TV. And then another huge setup of storage, which makes it very nice, having tons of room to put all your stuff. And then over here you can see a really large coat rack, and then up here another set of real big storage area. Follow me up the stairs. The restroom here, Jack and Jill doors, so you have entrance from the bedroom and from the hallway. And then once you get back in the bedroom, you have the convenience of walk-around beds on both sides, a good amount of storage on either side, and then power adapters for 110 or USB plug-in. And then facing back down the hallway, see, they utilized every square inch for storage, and so there's no way you're going to have too much stuff to fit in here. Go ahead and come on outside with me and we'll take a look. And as you can see here, nice big awning, exterior marine grade speakers, LED lights under the awning. And when you come around over here, 1-inch thick doors and a nice pass-through storage underneath. Somewhere to put your ice chest and all your chairs. Battery storage on this side. And it's set up for your generator storage here in the front. And this is nice too. You have the retract and extend the controls for your front legs here. Make it easy for hooking up. And propane storage on this side. And over here, the other side of your basement access. And then coming around the back here, you have a roof access ladder. The nice thing about this model is you can see on the top it has a cargo rack, so you can secure your items up there. And thank you again for clicking the link. Again, my name is Chris.McAndrews here at Guaranty RV in Junction City. If you have any questions or would like to come take a look at this, please give me a call or ask for me when you get here. My cell phone number is 541-731-8583. Have a good day.